Ever wondered how to fillet every type of fish like a pro? Today, I'm breaking down all the essential fish filleting techniques, from small sardines to massive salmon. Stick around for expert tips and tricks. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're diving into the ultimate fish filleting guide. Whether you're working with a delicate trout or a hefty tuna, I'll show you step-by-step how to get perfect fillets every time. Let's get started. First up, essential tools for filleting. For fillet knives, you'll need a curved 7-inch knife for precision, a 5-inch knife for smaller fish, and a butcher knife for larger cuts. Other tools include scissors for fins, a scaler, tweezers for pin bones, and a sharpening steel to keep your knives razor sharp, starting with small fish, like sardines, mackerel, and porgy. For sardines, you won't need a knife. Just remove the gills, pull out the guts, and use your fingers to separate the spine. Mackerel, open the gills, remove the innards, and butterfly fillet for easy cooking. For porgy, scale the fish, slice from head to tail, and carefully remove the fillet while preserving the rich, fatty texture. Moving on to medium fish like branzino, red snapper, and Arctic char. With branzino, scale underwater to avoid a mess. Then use small, gentle knife strokes for a clean fillet. Red snapper, cut carefully around the ribs, as they have aggressive pin bones. It's perfect for ceviche or tacos. Arctic char is similar to salmon, but even fattier and more forgiving. Perfect for beginners. For large fish such as salmon, tuna, and striped bass. Salmon can be cut into fillets or steaks. Steak cuts leave the bones in for extra flavor. Striped bass, particularly farm-raised, are sustainable and just as delicious. Tuna requires a heavy-duty knife and clean single cuts to get sushi-grade fillets. Lastly, exotic seafood like squid, octopus, and monkfish. Squid. Remove the spine and beak, peel off the skin, and slice into rings or leave whole for grilling. For octopus, remove the beak and clean the head before slow cooking for maximum tenderness. Monkfish is known as the poor man's lobster. Its firm meat is ideal for grilling and stews. Now you know how to fillet every fish like a pro. From delicate fillets to hearty steaks, mastering these techniques will level up your seafood game. Which fish do you want to try filleting next? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to sharpen your knife skills even more? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cooking tutorials.